In this video, we will see how we can download and install Anaconda on our Mac computer. At first, we need to go anaconda.com, this website. Once we are in this website, in the top side, we will find a couple of menus, and one of the menu is products. Just move your cursor on top of this and it will expand it on menu, and from this menu we have to choose the first one, individual edition, this one. I am using this one because this is open source distribution and it's free. So just click over there and it will go to the download page of that software. I am going to click this one, and once I click, then this is the download page of this software. Scroll down a little bit and you will find a download button. Just click the download button and you will go to the download section of Anaconda. Here you will find three sections. Our choice is Mac, so we will choose one of this one. I will use the first one, which is graphical installer, to install this software. Just click here to start downloading and it will give you this type of option to download this thing. Just click the save button and it will start saving that software on your computer locally. Once the download is finished, then we can start the installation. Just wait few seconds to finish the download and then we'll go to the download location to start the installation. I open Finder and from there I am clicking downloads to see the installer. So here is the installer. Just right click to start the installation. Right click and then choose open. Once we hit the open, then it will start installation of this software. Just minimize this thing and we are in this page. Here there is this type of thing. Just click on allow. Once I hit the allow button, it will go to the next step of installation. Here we will find continue button. So here we just need to click the continue. Again there is a button, continue, press it, and again continue, press it, and then we have to agree. But just press agree and then you will find this type of page. One more time we have to press the continue button. This will be the last, and just press continue button to start the installation. I'm going to press this button and very soon it will start the installation. Now you will see an install button is there. We just need to press this button to start our installation from that installer which we downloaded from Anaconda website. So I'm going to hit install button and very soon it will start installation. It will take like 2 to 3 minutes to complete the installation Anaconda on your Mac computer. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and once the installation is finished, it will give you the information or summary page that the installation is completed successfully. Just wait a few more seconds, it will finish very soon. Once the installation is finished, then you will find this type of thing, Anaconda plus JetBrains. Just hit the continue button to go to the next step, and after hitting this continue button you will see the summary page. So I'm going to hit this continue button, and here is the confirmation page or summary page that the installation is successfully. Now press the close button and it will ask you, do you want to remove the installer? I will just press the move to trash, so the installer will be removed from our downloads folder to the recycle bin. Just click here, so remove this thing, and once you finish that, and that's done. Now our Anaconda installed successfully. Now let's test it. Open terminal, and once you open terminal, we just need to type on command like Conda and then hit enter key, and then if we found this type of information, that means our Conda installation is successful. That's all guys. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and hit the like button or dislike button based on your own opinion. Thank you for watching.